Hello stars, this is your Diva Star. Welcome back to my jolly YouTube channel. And I missed every one of you. And today is extra special and something new because we are featuring the latest from Jollibee. And just to give you a clue, we're not gonna be unboxing any toys for today, but we are going to explore this wonderful new books from Jollibee, and they call it now the Jollibee Kids Value Meals, diba? Noon kasi they call it Jolly Kiddie Meal. Now it's Jollibee Kiddie Values Meal. Such a nice idea because they have 5 new books for you kids to enjoy and read. And it will tackle different kinds of values from being responsible, magalang, matapat, mapagbigay, at malasakit sa kapwa. So there are 5 beautiful books for us to explore, and 3 of them I already have right now, and I will explore each toy or each book, o diba? All 3 books, diba? On today's episode. So, are you ready for some storytelling? Let's start. Yes, as I've mentioned earlier, we got 3 out of the 5 values books of Jollibee. And this one, here, let me show you. This is Ang Hari ng Palaruan, which will tackle about pagiging magalang. The second book is entitled Ang Pinakamasayang Pista, which will tackle about pagiging mapagbigay. And the third one that we have here right now is about being responsable, ang naghihintay na homework. So, let's start with the first one. Okay, this is Ang Hari ng Palaruan. Sa palaruan, gusto ni Aaron na siya ang bida. Pero bakit tila walang gustong makipaglaro sa kanya? Alamin kung paano naging mabuting kalaro at kaibigan si Aaron sa tulong nila Jollibee and Popo. Yan. So, open natin yung book. I will not read the entire book because I don't want to spoil it for you, mga Jolly Stars natin, para kayo yung magbasa. Pero I will just give you a glimpse of how the book looks like. So, this is not a very small book, ha? I love the size. It's perfect. And here you can actually write your info, diba? Then, ito yung pinaka title page. Right? And kudos naman sa mga gumuhit at lumikha ng kwento. Then this is the type of illustration that you will see in the book. 1, 2, then yan. Yan. I-flip, flip natin ang mga pages. Yan. I love the illustration. It's very colorful. Diba? At malinaw ang mga text at maganda ang pagkakakulay. So, it looks very, very enticing to the eyes. Kasi ako, nung bata ako, I really started reading books like this, yung may mga drawings and illustrations. Kasi, diba, ang ganda na may binabasa ka, na may nakikita ka mga visuals. At mas nagiging creative ang iyong mind. So, at dito sa last page, as you can see, there are some activities here that you will choose. There are several situations at ikaw ang pipili based sa nabasa mo. For example, natalo ka sa balisahan. Ano ang dapat mong gawin? Sasabihin mo ba, ang daya mo? Or, congrats, ang galing mo. Diba? So, at the end of the book, merong activity dyan. So, yan ang hari ng palaruan. So, ano kaya mangyayari kay Aaron? Pero at the same time, what's good with the book or with each book, may kasama siyang activity. And this one, sa pagiging, magalang, bubuksan natin ito. respeto. Yan. Tingnan natin. Magalang o respeto. Ito ay parang bingo card. So, ayan. So, bubuksan lamang natin. So, ito yung respeto bingo card. Ayan. So, para kang maglalaro ng bingo. So, the parents or yung ating mga magulang, I would suggest that you give the assignments to your kids, and every time they achieve a certain task, kunwari, magsabi ng sorry kapag nagkamali. If they did that, then you give it a check. Diba? Tapos, magmamano kay lola or kay lolo pag nakita mong ginawa nila yan. It's also a check hanggang mapuno nila or makumpleto lahat ng mga magagandang activities or gawain dito. At pag nagawa na ng mga bata yan, then the parents could give this very cute sticker badge. Ako ay si, kunwari, Diva Star, at ako ay certified magalang. Diba? So, this is very nice. So, this is the first book. Again, it's Ang Hari ng Palaruan. And this will help us with the value of being respectful or pagiging magalang. Alright, our next Jollibee Kids Value Meal book. Ang title niya, Ang Pinakamasayang Pista, which tackles about pagiging generous or mapagbigay. Taon-taon ay puno ng dekorasyon at palamuti ang bahay ni na Luna tuwing pista. Pero bakit ngayon ay tila wala na? Alamin kung paano ito naging pinakamasayang pista para kay Luna sa tulong nila Jollibee at Hetty. Diba? So, ito ang itsura ng book. I so love the coloring. I love the texture, by the way, of the book. It's glossy. Diba? I love the coloring. The texts are very, very clear. So, it will be easier for the kids to actually read them. Diba? Or the parents to read them to their kids. Diba? Lalo na yung mga bata pa. Ang ganda. Diba? I always like mga books na pambata. Kasi dito nga ako nagsimula when I started to enjoy reading the books. And I so love Hetty, of course. I love her. Diba? I so love the visuals. Diba? And it's easier for us to digest what's being said in the book if there are visuals. Even now that I am an adult, I still love reading books with beautiful visuals. Of course, hindi na ganitong pambata, but I still love reading them. So, ano kaya mangyayari dito sa pinakamasayang pista book, diba, na adventure ni Hetty and Jollibee? And katulad nung nakaraan, katulad nung isang book natin which tackles about respect, it tackles about being generous. And for the parents out there, meron tayong activity or games, magbigay ng coupons. So there are certain activities. Here, for example, bibigyan kita ng isang mahigpit na yakap. Kunwari, yayakapin mo ang iyong lolo at lola. Pag nagawa yan, di ba, lalagyan niya yan. To lolo and lola, bibigay niya yung coupon na ito doon sa kanyang pagbibigyan. Or di kaya, to sasamahan kitang mag-grocery, di ba? Sasamahan niya si mother, si mommy, or si nanay. So, lalagyan niya to nanay. Bibigay niya yung coupon hanggat maubos at magawa niya lahat ng activities dito, di ba? At pag nagawa niya yan, of course, you have to reward by giving your kid this beautiful sticker badge. Ako si Diva Star at ako ay certified mapagbigay. O, di ba? Ang cute! So far, so good. You know what? I'm so loving this beautifully illustrated books by Jollibee because it teaches us a lot of values. And sana may mga ganito regularly, diba? If you're liking this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and like and subscribe na rin po kayo. And we're heading on to our third activity book. Okay, let's discuss the third book. Ang title niya, Ang Naghihintay na Homework, which tackles about being responsible, Labasa na sa eskwela at nagmamadali si Ben. Umuwi para maglaro, pero paano na ang homework niya? Alamin kung paano natutuhanan ni Ben na unahin ang mahalaga sa tulong ni Jollibee. For sure, a lot of the kids can relate to this one because, di ba, we all love to play after our classes, di ba? We can play our gadgets, play outside with our friends. Pero paano yun if you have assignments, di ba? When are you gonna do your assignments, di ba? Pagpapaliban mo muna ba yan? Ikaw ba muna ay maglalaro? Or ikaw ba ay tatapusin muna ang assignment, tapos mag-ask ka na ng reward kay mommy or kay daddy na pwede na po bang maglaro sa park or pwede na bang i-meet ang aking mga playmates, diba? So, definitely, iyan ang matututunan nyo dito sa aklat na ito. O, diba? At sa likod ay merong activity. Responsableng bata, anong ginagawa? Bilugan ang mga halimbawa ng pagiging responsable. So, there are certain situations here at hayaan nyo ang inyong kid ang pumili. Abalang-abala si nanay sa gawaing bahay. Ikaw ba'y maglalaro ng buong araw? Or ikaw ba'y tutulong sa gawaing bahay? Siguro maglalaro. Charot! Of course not. Siyempre, ikaw ay tutulong kay nanay at after ka na maglaro. At dahil dyan may activity, diba, that would help your kid be more responsible. So this is a responsable checklist. So there are certain activities here. Ayusin ang kama pagkagising, magsipilyo pagkatapos kumain, gawin ang homework pag uwi ng bahay, sabi nga dito sa book. And pwede pang lagyan ng additional task ng ating mga parents ang book. And then lalagyan ng check kung nagawa na lahat, diba? And after that, pwede na kayong maglaro. And you will get this. Ako ay si Diva Star at ako ay certified responsable. Diba? Kaya-kaya niyo yan, kids. Diba? This is so fun and easy to accomplish. Yes, and that's about it, stars. I know that you're all excited to read and to do this beautiful value activities by Jollibee. And again, available na itong 3 books nationwide. So I hope that you'll be able to grab your very own copy, lalo na sa mga parents. You know what? Like I've said, I'm a big advocate of reading. And I hope that at a very young age, diba, for the parents, you'll be able to instill, diba, the love for reading because it will make your children more creative. Diba, it'll make them more intelligent. It will make them more imaginative, right? Lalo na sa kanilang growing up years. And at the same time, this would instill very good value. So dahil dyan, I would love to give away a complete set, these 3 sets of books from Jollibee or Jollibee Value Meals. So, it's very easy. The question is, write down or comment down below ano yung 3 values na tinuturo nitong 3 books. And make sure to write your name, comment your name, and share it on your Facebook walls and make sure it's on public mode. And we will select one lucky winner who will get all 3 books. And by the way, if you would like to purchase the books, you can purchase it as low as 125 pesos. May kasama ng meal yan. So head on to your favorite Jollibee stores and collect all 3 books. Promise. Ang ganda niya, makulay, maganda ang quality. I love the paper, it's glossy. And featuring also our other Jollibee mascots or characters. And I'm so excited naman to feature the next 2 books at sana maging available na very, very soon. So again, don't forget to follow my account. Subscribe na po kayo, like my videos, share or repost, and just enjoy. And this weekend, happy reading everyone. Again, this is your Diva Star. Have a great weekend. Cheers!